Topmed is a powerful company that has over 13 years rich experience in financial support in disposable non-woven products field. The major products we produce are non-woven disposable products including face mask, surgical gowns, surgical drapes, surgical knits, lab coats, coveralls, bed sheet rolls, kimono, EVA slipper, which is widely used in medical and health industry, beauty spa and hotel field, and exported all over the world. Main markets are Europe, North America, South America, Middle East, and Southeast Asia and other regions. The related factory located in Xiantao City, Hubei Province, surrounded by Hanjiang River and has beautiful scenery, which also has the unique advantages of its convenient transportation, and covered an area of 11,700 square meters and 130 employees, who are skilled workers as well as accumulate a wealth of experience for production. All our main products already got CE certificate. Then we have already set up the complete quality control system strictly conforming to ISO13485 standard to meet requirement of Europe medical devices. We supply OEM service strictly as the international standard. It is believed that with the professional workers, professional management, advanced equipment, and strict quality control system, we can do well in the future. Sincerely appreciate for our old customers' continuous support, and we expect to work together with new customers and friends.